Do I think roses are jealous of the other flowers? Maybe.
No, not at all. We have so many roses that the birds will never take over.
Maybe. Maybe it should be all roses.
We're still going to have more roses than any other flower on the float itself.
The bird of paradise is a bold flower. It attracts attention. It demands attention.
Oh, could be jealous. I don't know, but I mean, I think they could get along. We could make them play nice.
So-called the tournament of birds. It's not the birds of paradise, whatever. Tournament of birds. Tournament of birds. There we go.
It's a rose parade. Period.